Hello everyone and welcome to today's session of Market Pe Charcha. As we have seen dips in Nifty and Sensex recently, आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे लार्ज कैप स्टॉक की जो बहुत ट्रेंड कर रहा है और वो है TCS. But before we proceed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for market insights. Today we have Mr. Chandan Taparia with us to share his insights on Tata Sons' significant sell-off of 9,000 crores and what it means for markets. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
So, TCS has been the star performer and bullish from a long time now. So, is it the right time to buy or should we sell it? What's your view on it?
So, if you look at the Indian equity market, an Indian IT company, TCS is a well-weather counter. It really had a great time. It really seen the good momentum. If you look at the price history of last 5 years, 10 years or 15 years, this stock really generated the wealth to the investors. So whatever the sell-off happened, I think that is part of opportunity. I believe some sort of consolidative move could be there. If you look at the price behavior, the stock has corrected by around 5% in this week. Just couple of days back, it made new lifetime high at 42.54 and corrected to us 4,000. So I believe that major trend is intact. However, entire IT sector witnessed some profit booking decline mainly in last 4-5 days. But TCS is one of the strongest name. I believe if you get price near 3,800, 3,850, that could be the good entry point for the stock. And then slow and steady, it can head to us 4,250 to 4,500 zone. However, one need to understand that now momentum and pace of the move is comparatively lesser in IT name, but yes, it can provide you safety, stability to your portfolio. So if you get any small decline, accumulate this stock, and I believe this sell-off and profit booking is giving you the right opportunity to take the counter in your portfolio. If you are holding, then continue to be with the same. If you are not, then utilize this decline or volatility to grab it towards 4,250 to 4,500 levels.
So, sir, my second question is, what is your view on other group companies of Tata, and also if you want to suggest any other IT names?
So first, if I reply on IT name, so TCS corrected recently by around 5% post this news. And if you remember that IT index of US Nasdaq also witnessed some profit booking decline. I remember earlier IT stock used to turn volatile due to the movement in currencies, mainly the USD INR. But now IT stocks are tracking the Nasdaq, that is the IT index at US market. We have noticed that some sort of consolidative move or profit booking has noticed in last couple of days, and most of the IT stocks are comparatively falling from higher levels. So I believe that selective IT counter could do well. So TCS is likely to find some support at lower zone and then can provide the alpha. Apart from that, one can look at the counter like Tech Mahindra. However, I believe that mid-cap IT will do well compared to your heavyweights name. But yes, TCS is likely to be the one of the strongest name. Apart from TCS, one can focus on counter like HCL Tech or Tech Mahindra, which can find some support-based buying. Now talking about other Tata Group companies. So Tata Motors is one of the strongest name in Nifty auto segment. We have seen a decent run-up. However, in the recent past, we have seen a corrective move of around 10% because the entire market witnessed profit booking decline. So around 900, Tata Motors is a good buying for the next move towards 1100 and so. One can also look at the Tata Consumer. If you focus on the consumption space, then Tata Consumer is one of the strongest name. And the good part is we have seen a corrective move of 10 to 15% in the recent past. Major trend is positive. This stock has really done well in last 5-6 years. So any decline towards 1050 or 1080 is a buying opportunity, and this stock can then head towards 1250 to 1300. So apart from Tata Motors, you can keep a radar on Tata Consumer. Tata Powers, one of the strongest name in the power energy space. Due to the market weakness, some profit booking there. But again, the higher base is clearly visible. If you look at the last 2 years, this stock has really done a wonderful job. Rallied all the way from 185 to 435 and now trading near 380. So any decline towards 365, 370 is the buying opportunity in Tata Power, and the stock has easily move towards 450 to 460 levels. So keep radar on Tata Power, Tata Motor, Tata Consumer, and TCS already we have discussed about the same. And you should not forget about the Titan. When you talk about Tata Group of companies, Titan is one of the strongest name. And rising gold price is also a trigger for the stock. Consumption and love for gold, especially for Indian, is always known. So Titan could be in focus. Any decline towards 3400 to 3450 could be the opportunity for the next leg of rally towards 4000 to 4200 levels. So I believe this recent profit booking is the part of opportunity. Utilize it, use the decline in TCS, and apart from that, look for buying opportunity in counter like Tata Power or Titan, or look at some buying interest in Tata Motors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. As we now know the list of the stocks on which we have to focus, और ऐसे ही market related updates के लिए search कीजिए मोतीलाल ओसवाल.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.